Eza, and I just ran 10K for McDonald's Stripes Run. And ang experience ko, I felt very safe kasi I ran with two of the strongest member of Philippine Army. Grabe, first time kong tumakbo na may kasamang ganong kapopoging mga members na ating Philippine Army. And ayun, I felt very safe kasi yung mga medyo wala ng kulay na mga humps, may ilaw, and then may mga tao, may mga staff to remind na be careful, ganyan. Tapos iniilawan nila yung mga madidilim na daan kasi we started 4 AM, so definitely madidilim pa talaga yung daan. So ang liwanag ng buong route, and maraming water stations, and ang saya dahil sobrang happy and healthy nung buong running community. Special occasions like my birthday or graduation and all that, I always make sure to ask my parents if we could celebrate at McDonald's. And now it's gone full circle because now I am representing McDonald's, my favorite brand.